This video was sponsored by Enhance, NeoWatt, ABRP, Elbilmek, Kempower and EB Hub.
Yo, what's up? This is Kia PV5 Passenger version. It's much anticipated car and I fully understand why. It is just so different from any other van I tested, and just by the looks of it, it looks like a van from a sci-fi movie from the future, right? But in this video I'm gonna find out how much space we have. So dimensions here are actually quite similar to an ID bus, around 4.7 meters long, roughly 1.9 meters tall, and yeah, fairly wide also. So how much space do we have here in terms of banana boxes? Let's find out. First, I'm gonna do a quick inspection of the front. Okay, because this is a van, then we have a quite short nose, just like in an ID bus. Okay, there's some gaps here, but not that much space for a frunk. But what they already should mean that we have plenty of space in the back then. The big question is, do I have enough banana boxes? I don't stack too many banana boxes in the garage, so I might have to use the ram doubler. So in the back here we have motorized lift gate or back door, I'm not sure what it's called in the van. And plenty of space. I don't know if this comes in a 7-seater, but I think the 7-seater might be the bigger PV6 or PV7, that's what they're gonna call it. So that means so much space in the back here for cargo. We have some pockets in the side here, and on this side also. So there's no subwoofer in the back here. Speakers are in the front. But then here, look, we have a quite nice big plate here. We can open it up. Stores, what? I wonder if a banana box fits there. And then also more storage space here with some foam. But then this cannot be easily removed. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna go all ninja. Wait, let me see. And put stuff. Oh yeah, remove this. Yeah, I'll give it a try. But yeah, what the heck, man? So there is some cargo securing hook here. Oh, you're supposed to strap your cargo on that plate? Really? And this is just plastic. I could probably break this with my own hands if I tried hard enough. So this is typical Korean cars, unlike the Germans. Okay, this is interesting. When you pull out this plate here, you can actually see some stuff here. Dude, this is smuggler space. Oh, you want to put all the tobacco and meat in there, of course, but you can actually remove this foam here. So as long as I can remove stuff without unscrewing something, then I think that'll be okay. Dude, wait, what the heck is this? There is no weight limit on this plate, right? So I think I can keep it like that. What about these other plates here? Can I also remove them easily? Let's try. What about this foam? Yes, you can, because this is a tire can. Oh, this is what it looks like now. There is this separator wall. Wait, I was about to say you need screws to. Well, I guess you can remove it also. Okay, just toss it over here. With the rest of the stuff you don't need. You see? Pro tip from Teslabjorn, from Kia Bjorn, just remove all that stuff and you get a nice deep well here for lots of cargo. Round one in the trunk. We haven't even folded the seats yet, but I can feel like this car could take a lot of van, could take a lot of boxes. So the ID Bus passenger version can take 30 boxes. That's the regular, not the long version, which is the equivalent to this van. So 30 boxes. Can the Kia beat it? Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31,
32, 33. Hold the macaroni. Kia Bjorn is back. It can take more than the ID bus. And remember that this PV5 passenger version starts at 470k NOK, and then the ID bus passenger version starts at 660k, around 200,000 NOK more than this, but you get more space here. Okay, finish it. Now we're gonna fold the seats and try again. Okay, as usual, I tried to put as many boxes as possible in here. I don't dare to open the door right now, but yeah, we stacked it. I can open on this side all the way to the roof. Great. And then here, well, here's a trick, because I had to split some of these boxes, but actually when you split them, like you see here and here, no, this is not split, but the lid part, or the other part, actually the bottom part, becomes slightly shorter, because you see it fits perfectly fine there. So the lid is slightly taller than the bottom. So that's why it's kind of cheating, but we simply didn't have enough banana boxes. So to be fair, I fill it up as good as I can do it now, splitting some of them, but not splitting all of them. And I actually had to bring boxes with actual items in it. And I can show you here. I had to empty everything in my garage. Stuff that I had in the banana boxes, I had to empty them out just to fit everything in the Kia. So we need to crank up the pitch here, but the ID bus 5-seater can take 49 boxes. Can the PV5 passenger beat it? Well, let's find out.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52,
53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. 58 is freaking insanely good. It even beats the ID bus cargo version, which doesn't have any seats. Here we actually have the seats in there. We haven't removed it. So this shows you how much space we have here in the PV5. And you know, this is also around 4.7 meters, just like the ID bus, but somehow they're able to utilize the space way better. So wow, you know, I heard that some people actually make a camper van out of the PV5, and well, at least it's Teslabjorn approved, because you have insane good space here. It's game over. It's cheaper, it's possibly more efficient, and it has more space. A van is not just a van. You can actually utilize the space and become really good. And okay, more space than the Mercedes EQE, which is a lot bigger. But there was a 7-seater, but I'm pretty sure that if I tried maybe the cargo version of the EQE, maybe even that wouldn't beat the PV5. It's game over, man. Kia Bjorn approves. Hallelujah. That's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later. Oh, now I have to clean up this mess. Where the heck do I start? Okay, I need to carry a lot of stuff. Okay, let's we can Shit, I need to combine this again. Yeah. And then we can at least put some stuff in here so we don't have to carry too much. Okay.
Baila que baila la luna, baila que baila mi amor. Tengo la grande fortuna de estar en tu corazón. Baila que baila la luna, baila que baila mi amor. Tengo la grande fortuna de estar en tu corazón.
Man, this is the problem because you see, as a banana box expert, there's a difference between the bottom here and the top. So I mismatched one of them. So now it doesn't fit. I had to find it out in the garage, but this is insane that we can actually bring all the banana boxes back again. Wow.